If you live outside of Europe, you're probably not aware of this pain, but the F90 M5, when it first came out, sounded absolutely amazing. And then around 2019, with the introduction of the competition model, they started fitting something called an OPF, which really dampened the sound down. In this video, we're going to rectify that on this F90 M5 competition. Before we get into that, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel if you like our content, push the like button on all videos, and do leave a comment. We do try and respond to as many as we can. So let's take a closer look at the parts. Over here we have our evolved Catless downpipes. Now we run these on our 1000 horsepower M5 and most of our customer builds. They are split into two for ease of installation. You can see very high quality TIG welding on the downpipes themselves and mandrel belt on the bottom part. Over here we have a Remus center section. Now this deletes the OPF and also the center resonator. Again, as you'd expect from Remus, very high quality, and it's in a sandblasted finish. Usually we would ECU tune a car with these parts on there to get more power out of it, but this customer doesn't want any more power. He really is doing this for sound only. So instead of tuning the ECU, we are going to fit these items from Lieb, and these take care of any check engine light that might come up from deleting the cats or the OPF. On my right hand side we have a set of matte carbon fiber intakes from Eventuri. Now these are exactly the same ones we run on the F90 M5. I actually do prefer the look of the matte. I think it looks slightly more expensive and exclusive, and this customer particularly did want the matte ones after seeing them on our car. Now these will add around 12 to 15 extra horsepower and provide some more turbo noise from the front end. I'm really excited to see what this is going to sound like. So let's get all these parts on and we can check it out later in the video. As you can see, that's made a huge difference to the sound. It has released much more of that V8 noise, which the stock setup was really muting. Now this setup is probably one of the loudest you can go for with the downpipes and the OPF Delete. If you wanted it quieter than this, you would just go for the OPF Delete. If you get a customer in that just has that done, we'll do an update video so you can see what it sounds like. But in the meanwhile, hope you enjoyed this video. Leave any comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please remember to subscribe to the channel and turn your notifications on. If you want to join the conversation, please drop us a comment below and we will do our best to respond to you. And if you're running out of things to watch, why don't you watch one of these two?